Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick and Partners along Bob Iacchino. Just waiting to do this video. Futures open, they gapped lower in the S&P. That's on my other charting platform on a different computer that I'm not showing on the screen right now. But let's see, they gapped down to 24.59. They're starting to rally back a bit. Still haven't closed the gap. We were selling off a bit in Bitcoin and started rallying back a bit. That's why I'm going to keep an eye on the futures tonight because it's got a strong rally back in the futures. This will either stall out and move sideways or probably retrace. If we get a sell-off in the futures, then I'll keep going with the direction of the trend. So right now, 59.10 level holding. You see here, tested as it rotated back down from the rotation zone. So that level's holding right now. If we drop below that, 57.91 and then 56.60 are next key levels on a rally. Support area becoming resistance with the rotation zone, so about 6,100, and then we'd start looking at the upper end, this ledge with the top of the rotation zone, about 62.70. So those are your key levels based off the 4-hour. Take a look. Oh, sorry, that was 4-hour. I don't know why that. Okay, daily. Very strong resistance at about 6,300. So on a big rally, 6,300 is your key resistance on the daily. What else? That's about it. If we start really watch down at this 56.60, if we do sell off, because that was this little support ledge from before. Dropping below that, the next level down is 55.24. Rotation zone, we're clearly below it on the daily also. So in bearish mode on the daily, back to the 4-hour, bearish mode on the 4-hour. So that's the way that's looking for Bitcoin. Ethereum, it's holding up a bit better. You see rotation back down, but it's still holding the support zone. So 125 is very key. It's on a close blow. Any dip into 125, we seem to get some buyers there, about 125 to 126 area, recent buyers. If we get a close below this 125, I'll really start watching for the key prices. Continued rally with this candle body support shelf. Remember, we follow the bodies more than the wicks and tails. We use those as reinforcement with the rotation zone. So 128 is the key level on any rally level we'll be watching. If we did get above it, we'd start watching the top of the rotation zone with this little body about 130, 50 to 130.75 area. Let's switch over to the daily. There we go. So you see here, still below the rotation zone on the daily. Rotation zone now is coming in about 132.29, and the next key level above there, we want to start watching that 140 where it's had multiple price rejections from. You go with this 120.22 level on the downside. We had some little buyers there. So if we get that close below that 125, we'll really be focused on this 120.22 area. And then below that's 115.21. But we're just going to keep monitoring the futures and see if any patterns set up that'll help us get the short-term direction of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Until then, we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.